Hello and welcome everyone, this is your friend NEPAL. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install CentOS on VirtualBox in Windows 10. So, before that, friends, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and after that, hit the bell icon so that you are connected with me. Now, let's leave this here and now let's start the process of installation of the CentOS in VirtualBox. So, to install the CentOS in VirtualBox, you have to download VirtualBox and install it in your PC. So, to download the VirtualBox, go through this link. I'll give this link on the description, so not to worry about it. After that, just click on the Windows host and download the VirtualBox for Windows. So after downloading VirtualBox, you have to download the CentOS as a file. So for that, just go through this link. Okay, this link is on the description, so not to worry about it. So to download the CentOS, click on CentOS Linux DVD ISO. Okay, now choose the any link to download the CentOS for the VirtualBox. So you can just download the ASCII file of CentOS from here. So after downloading the CentOS and installing the VirtualBox on your PC, open the VirtualBox. Okay, and then after that, click on New and type the operating system name. Okay, after that, choose the Linux type, and you can see here there is no any option for the CentOS, so I recommend you to choose Red Hat. Red Hat because CentOS is quite similar to the Red Hat, so I recommend you to choose the Red Hat. After that, click on Next. Now you have to allocate the memory size for the CentOS. So I recommend you to allocate at least 2 to 3 GB of memory size for the CentOS. So I'm going to allocate it now. For now, I'm going to allocate 2 GB of memory for CentOS distro. Now click on Next. Choose the second option and again click on Create. Choose the first option BDI and again click on Next. Click on Next again. Now you have to create the virtual hard disks for the CentOS. So I recommend you to allocate at least 20 to 25 GB for the CentOS. For now, I'm going to allocate 20 GB of virtual hard disks for the CentOS. You can allocate as much as you like according to your need. So now click on Create. Okay. Now after that, click on again Settings. Now click on Advanced. So now choose the bidirectional. Again, choose the bidirectional. This will enable you to copy and paste files and folders between the CentOS distro and the host operating system, that is Windows 10. So now after that, again click on Systems, click on Processor, and now you have to allocate the CPUs for the CentOS. So I'm going to allocate 2 to 3 CPU. For now, I'm going to allocate 2 CPU. After that, click on Display. Now make it full. It will give the maximum video memory for the CentOS. Now click on Storage and choose this option empty and again click on this icon. Okay, now choose the ASCII file of CentOS. Now click on Open. After that, again click on OK. Okay, now everything is set up, so now just click on Start and wait until the CentOS is loaded. Now just minimize it. Okay, now the CentOS is loading. Just choose the first option and hit an enter. You can switch to full screen mode from here. For now, I'm leaving it as it is. Okay, now just choose your default language and click on continue. Okay, now just choose your keyboard layout from here. Click on done. After that, choose your date and time. Choose your region for the date and time. So I'm from Nepal, so I'm going to choose my country and click on done. Okay. Okay, now click on the installation source. And you can see this here, everything is verified, so no need to change anything here. Just click on done. And you can down here, you can find the option called software selection. Just click on it. Okay, you can find here different environments of the CentOS 8. So I recommend you to choose the first option, server with GUI, because it includes all the features. So just click on the first option and click on done. Okay, now click on the installation partitioning. For the partitioning, so just click on this one. So just click on the automatic option and click on done. So now begin installation. Now you can set the root password and you can create the user for the CentOS. At first, let us set the root password. Just type your password and click on done. Okay, now create a user for CentOS. Just type username and password for CentOS distro. Okay, now the CentOS is installing. The installation process is very easy and it's very simple. So you can easily install the CentOS. It may take a while to install the CentOS from now, so just wait until it is successfully installed. Sometime it may need internet to download the some updates, so make sure that you are connected to a network. Okay, now the installation is completed. Now just click on reboot and restart the system. Okay, now just click on this one and accept the license. Click on done again and now finish the configuration. Okay, you can see this here. Just choose your user account and type your password and click on sign in. And let me show you, you can switch to full screen mode from here. Just click on it and switch to full screen mode. Now just click on next. Just click on next again, skip it, and now click on start using CentOS Linux. Okay, you can see this CentOS is successfully installed in VirtualBox. So in this way you can install CentOS in VirtualBox. So hey guys, thank you for watching. I'll make such videos. If you like, share and subscribe my channel. Have a nice day, NEPAL. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.